जय हिंद दोस्तों। स्टेनोमेड इजी पर आपका स्वागत है। स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश का एक और डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड प्रति मिनट की स्पीड से। रेडी, स्टार्ट। 3 जजेज बेंच ऑफ द एपेक्स कोर्ट इन ज्ञान सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब एंड अदर्स, reported in 2012, explaining that High Court has inherent power under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with no statutory limitation, including Section 320 CRPC, has held that these powers are to be exercised to secure the ends of justice or to prevent abuse of process of any court, and these powers can be exercised to quash criminal proceedings or complaint or FIR in appropriate cases where offender and victim have settled their dispute, and for that purpose no definite category of offense can be prescribed. Full stop. However, it is also observed that courts must have due regard to nature and gravity of the crime and criminal proceedings in heinous and serious offenses or offense like murder, rape and dacoity, etc. should not be quashed despite victim or victim family have settled the dispute with offender. Full stop. Jurisdiction vested in High Court under Section 482 CRPC is held to be exercisable for quashing criminal proceedings in cases having overwhelming and predominatingly civil, particularly offenses arising from commercial, financial, mercantile like transactions, or even offenses arising out of matrimony relating to dowry, etc., family disputes or other such disputes where wrong is basically private or personal nature, where parties mutually resolve their dispute amicably. Full stop. It was also held that no category or cases for this purpose could be prescribed, and each case has to be dealt with on its own merit, but it is also clarified that this power does not extend to crimes against society. Full stop. The apex court is summarizing the board principles regarding inherent powers of the High Court under Section 482 CRPC, has recognized that these powers are not inhibited by provisions of Section 320 CRPC. Full stop. The apex court in case has summed up and laid down principles by which the High Court would be guided in giving adequate treatment to the settlement between the parties and exercise its power under Section 482 of the Code while accepting the settlement and quashing the proceedings or refusing to accept the settlement with direction to continue with criminal proceedings. Full stop. Stop.